I feel happy that ICT is able to make an active contribution and take a leading role in arranging such meetings where all scientists, entrepreneurs, startup, the entire ecosystem responsible for the growth of biopharma industry in India.
A very well organized event right from the beginning. It's so power packed. I'm sure the delegates here would take the benefit of it, network with all others and take India to the next level.
From achieving where we need to be in this space is conferences like this. Conferences like this really brings people together for diverse fields and make a collage of a painting which contains many different elements.
So it has been great to see the biologics ecosystem developing in India, and this is a great initiative by organizers, especially ICT, all the who's who of Indian biotech industry and also beyond to put under the same umbrella and have a fantastic panel.
Congratulations to Dr. Ratnesh, Dr. Prajakta Jain and the entire ICT team for putting together such a brilliant scientific show. I think this kind of platform where he has brought academy excellence, he has brought industry, startups.
This is an amazing platform for industries and academia to come at this place, and there's such brewing of science here. We are learning so much from each other, and I think this is the best workshop conducted across India or Asia, I can say. I think there's time now to go global for Biosimilar Workshop.
Workshop here for biosimilars and vaccines. I'm very impressed.
My first time attending Biosimilar Workshop. I think it's a great opportunity. It's a great community building exercise I see.
Biosimilar Workshop 2023 arranged by Ratnesh and his team is fantastic. I came first time, but I am thoroughly enjoying.
2 days for this Biosimilar Workshop. It's been a fabulous one for networking and also a good platform for youngsters who are displaying their talent here.
Biosimilar workshops for the last many years, and it is a very good initiative, and he is attracting people from different disciplines actually working in the area of biosimilars, and this should continue.
The Biosimilar Workshop very much. It was a very good scientific program, very many learnings for established and young scientists, and I would highly recommend.
A lot of new startups that are doing cutting edge work in product supply, on the demand side as well, and also on the science side. So we're enjoying it so far.
Because there's a lot of networking opportunities, career growth that you can think of, as well as learn a lot that you can go and apply in your own company and make it even better.
For this fabulous organization, flawless execution of this mega event, which is 500 plus participants spread in that big hall for 2 days with no time lost, everything on spot, on time.
Event like this and organizing it so very well. I must give full credit to Ratnesh and Dr. Jain for even having thought of this, and they have done it so perfectly.
I really feel very happy and honored that on behalf of ICT, I'm able to welcome you all, and I wish you all the very best. Have a good time in the conference. Thank you.